Hello and welcome to our instructional video on the application for surge irrigating. P&R has been in operation since 1983. Today and in the years to come, P&R surge irrigation is the worldwide solution for conservation of water, time, and energy. My name is Oliver McRae, Managing Director of the P&R controller, that component responsible for operating the valve. I would like to thank you for your purchase of our valve and controller. It is very important to P&R that when a customer purchases our product, they understand how it works. Proper application will give you an even flow and water saturation from the top end of the field to the bottom with minimal runoff, tailwater, and drainage.
Surge irrigation is completed in two phases, advance and soak. The advance phase pushes water across the field twice as fast as continuous flood irrigation. Surge reduces deep percolation and applies water evenly. It alternates or cycles the flow between two sets of furrows. Surging normally requires 4 to 6 cycles per side to advance to the end of the field. Each pair of cycle times gets progressively longer, but will advance to the end of the field with surge. Both sets should get to the end in about the same time as one set would take with continuous flooding. The soak phase begins automatically when advance is complete. It gives you control over the depth of infiltration and reduces or eliminates runoff. The soak phase stops advance by using the shorter cycle times. Each soak cycle flows from the top of the furrow all the way down to the bottom end of the wetted field. Soak cycles repeat continuously. They do not stop until you turn the controller off. The basic unit consists of the manual time knob, which changes times manually. This is the controller, which will change side to side constantly on time set until that unit is turned off. The toggle change side switch will change sides manually to adjust the gate. The LED will blink while the unit is on. The P&R Junior 3 surge system. This is the advance knob. The advance knob changes the advance time. This is the breakdown of the advance and soak times, which is recommended in the instructions that come with every controller. This is a toggle change side switch, which changes sides to adjust the gates. This is the soak knob. This increases or decreases the soak time. The manual time controller will change side to side constantly on time set until unit is turned off. To activate the manual times, put advance on any position other than off. This LED will blink while the unit is on. When the soak knob is set to normal, you will be watering left to right at an even soak time recommended for the time set on the advance knob. If the soak knob is turned to the left of the normal position, you will be subtracting from the soak time. If the knob is turned to the right, you will be adding to the soak time. By removing the soak knob from this 12 o'clock position to any manual time below this soak knob, you are deactivating the advanced time set and are activating manual settings desired. As long as the advanced knob is in any position other than off, a manual setting will be achieved. The P&R star system consists of the on-off key, the digital display, the change side key, which manually changes sides for the adjustment of the gates, the advance key, which shows the time that has been entered. The custom key will show cycles per side, a 50-50 ratio, and by pressing and holding for 4 seconds, you will get a B for voltage on battery and an S for subtle panel charge. The soak key shows the soak times recommended for the advanced time entered. The positive and negative keys add and subtract to advanced soak times cycles per side, also a 50-50 ratio. During the running mode, press the negative key, hold for 5 seconds, and this will show the time for each set of cycles and soak time for the advanced time entered. The language key. This key allows you to toggle between English or Spanish on the display.
We're now going to demonstrate how to change the battery. Each controller is operated by a 12-volt battery with a positive red and a negative black. Every P&R Star controller comes with a complementary 12-volt charger that is universal. Will take both 110 and 220 electricity. To charge the battery, you connect the black to the negative and the red to the positive. The LED in the corner will show blue while the battery is charging, and when the battery is finished charging, it will show red. Once your battery is charged, to install the battery, the new battery, you turn the controller on its back, and there are 2 bolts to be removed. You remove the 2 bolts, turn the controller so the mounts are towards you, lay it over, you'll have the motor and the battery. You remove the battery, removing from the terminals, the old battery. You replace the new battery, being careful to connect the red to the positive and the black to the negative. You return it into the casing, laying it flat within the mounts, being careful not to pinch any wires. You return the case and reinsert the 2 bolts which hold it together. And your controller is ready. The valve consists of a flap, a bottom, and a top. 2 brass bushings, 1 in the top, 1 in the bottom, gaskets, 4 O-rings, 2 in the bottom, 2 in the top. Two O-rings in the bottom, two O-rings in the top, a gear and half-moon key, This concludes our instructional video. It is our goal that you have a better understanding of our applications and the functioning of each controller that we offer. I would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions about our applications, please contact us at the number on your screen.